Imitation is easy. Innovation is not. Introducing the Barrett Rec 10. No corners cut, no detail overlooked, and built from the ground up for the world's most demanding users. Every component of the Rec 10 has been engineered to guarantee combat reliability, durability, and accuracy that shooters expect from the Barrett name. Each variant of the Rec 10 features an optimized direct impingement gas system that minimizes recoil and allows for both suppressed and unsuppressed fire. The upper and lower receivers are machined from billet 7075 T6 aluminum and feature ambidextrous controls. The slimline free-float aluminum handguard utilizes M-LOK accessory mounting slots and a full-length Picatinny top rail for sights and electro-optics. Available in .308 Winchester and 6.5 Creedmoor, the Rec 10 stands above all others on the hunt, at the range, cleaner, cooler, and more reliable. Unlike direct impingement firearms that dump gas into the upper receiver, the Rec 7 features a revolutionary short-stroke gas piston operating system with adjustable gas block to minimize maintenance without sacrificing reliability, with or without a suppressor. Unlike other piston designs, the Rec 7 gas block and piston assemblies are easily accessible for routine service without requiring removal of the handguard or barrel assembly. Receivers are forged from 7075 T6 aluminum, mil-spec Type 3 hardcoat anodized for durability, then finished with Cerakote for a perfect color match on every surface of the firearm. Tucked inside its slim free-float aluminum handguard is a chrome-lined barrel for ultimate durability. Available in 5.56 NATO and 6.8 SPC. The Rec 7 is the first choice. Designed with both precision and modularity in mind, the Barrett MRAD is equally at home on the range or on duty. Its monolithic upper receiver is machined from 7000 series aluminum with a full-length M1913 Picatinny top rail with built-in 20 MOA taper for long-range precision. With mounting slots at 3, 6, and 9 o'clock, its handguard offers a rigid, highly adaptable interface for attachment of rails, electro-optics, and other accessories. Featuring a user-interchangeable barrel system, the MRAD can quickly and easily be converted to one of 8 different calibers or multiple barrel lengths by simply loosening 2 bolts using a standard Torx wrench. No gunsmith required. Contained within the lower receiver is a fully adjustable match-grade trigger module, allowing the user to easily set their ideal pull. The MRAD stock folds on the right side, reducing overall width for a minimal footprint and ease of transport. When extended, the stock locks securely into place, providing an interface as rigid and as stable as any fixed-stock rifle. With toolless length of pull and cheek piece height adjustment, the MRAD is easily configured to fit shooters of all shapes and sizes. The use of standard AR-15 M16 pistol grips, 10-round magazine with ambidextrous paddle-style release, and left-right swappable thumb safety makes the MRAD perfect for both right and left-handed shooters. From competition to combat. With over 35 years of research, development, and regular feedback from the most demanding military end users, our designs continue to evolve for the better. The Barrett M107A 107A1 has been engineered for action. With a nod to Eugene Stoner and his direct impingement design, Barrett is proud to produce the Rec 7 DI. A lightweight, modular, accurate AR that even the most die-hard traditionalist can appreciate. Featuring an optimized gas system for reliable operation with or without a suppressor. With your choice of matched-grade stainless or chrome-lined barrels, the Rec 7 DI is truly a pleasure to shoot. The upper and lower receivers are forged from 7075 T6 aluminum, mil-spec T3 hardcoat anodized for durability, and finished with Cerakote for a perfect color match. The Rec 7 DI is available in 5.56 NATO, 6.8 SPC, and 300 blackout, making it the ideal choice for on-duty, on the range, or in the field. Every great company has its marquee product that serves as the foundation upon which the brand is built. For Barrett, that role is filled by the legendary Model 82A1, the world's first shoulder-fired semi-automatic 50 BMG rifle. Fed from a 10-round detachable box magazine, the Model 82A1 delivers impressive accuracy, low recoil impulse, and relentless reliability under the most demanding conditions. Featuring steel upper and lower receivers with a durable anti-corrosion finish, the rifle is readily adaptable to each mission. With long and short barrel options, 2 proven calibers, and a slimline forend that allows attachment of a wide range of accessories and electro-optics. Every rifle is checked for fit and finish, then tested for function and accuracy before being packaged in a custom Pelican hard case. With more than 30 years of service with American and Allied military units across the globe, the Model 82A1 is more than just. When it comes to firearms, there's something to be said for simplicity and rugged reliability. Enter the Barrett Model 99. Engineered from the ground up as the ultimate 50 BMG long-range precision rifle, the single-shot bolt-action Model 99 does not disappoint. Its compact bullpup design minimizes overall length without sacrificing ballistic performance. Featuring a rigid one-piece aluminum receiver, match-grade barrel, precision trigger, and high-efficiency 3-port muzzle brake. The Model 99 delivers match-winning accuracy time and time again. Available in 50 BMG and 416 Barrett, the Model 99 has one mission: get